Upgrading to motorized blinds and shading during new home construction delivers immediate gains in comfort, privacy, and energy efficiency. Start by planning shade zones based on sun exposure and room use to minimize wiring complexity and maximize control. For new construction, run low-voltage wiring to each window, rough opening, and plan conduit to central control locations so motors and sensors integrate cleanly with the electrical and automation systems. Choose motorized roller shades with built-in scheduling and ambient light sensors so blinds adjust automatically throughout the day without manual input. When wiring is limited or for retrofit areas, specify solar-powered tubular motors that recharge from daylight and avoid extra wiring while still offering reliable automation. Group shades into scenes such as morning, daytime, and evening so multiple shades move together from a single command and reduce control clutter for occupants. Pick fabrics with high solar reflectance on the exterior and high thermal resistance on the interior to reduce cooling loads while retaining desired daylight and view control. Common issues include improper shade sizing that causes light gaps and uneven operation, and the fix is to measure inside the jamb or outside the casing accurately and order custom widths with appropriate mounting brackets. Another frequent problem is poor integration with the home automation system that results in delayed or inconsistent scheduling, which is solved by using motors and hubs that support standard communication protocols and testing schedules during construction before finishes are installed. A third concern is underestimating power needs for grouped zones, creating weak or slow movement, and the remedy is to calculate total motor wattage per circuit and either add dedicated circuits or distribute loads across multiple controllers. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who offer motorized shade installation and post-project examples so we can learn from other owners. We also connect contractors with homeowners seeking work and host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot install details together.